Hey y'all, thanks for joining me today. I just wanted to shoot a quick video to apologize for not having a video to share with you today. I have one that I worked 3 hours last night trying to get it up and running, and I still wasn't even close to getting it uploaded. I kept having issues with it. And so then I spent another over 3 hours this morning trying to get it to work, and it's just not cooperating with my video editing program. I don't know what the problem is. I was kind of wondering if it was, since I have a new phone, that maybe that was the issue, but I had another video that I was able to put on there without a problem, and I've put pictures on there from this phone and everything, so I don't know what's going on. Hopefully I can get it figured out and get another one up for tomorrow, but if I was able to, I'd spend all day trying to get it figured out, because I'm just that kind of a person that, you know, if I want to get it done, I'm going to figure out a way to do it. But I have a funeral to go to in just a little bit for my dad's cousin. So I don't know, you know, spending time with family and stuff, I'm probably going to be occupied most of the day. So I hope that I'm able to get one up for you tomorrow. But thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. God bless. Bye.